Hello friends, so I have bought this small ATV for my daughter. It is a 110cc. As you can see, it's kind of a rust bucket, small machine. It came with its issues. I bought it for cheap because of that. As you can see, the cable is in shreds. It's torn here. The engine is partly disassembled because of this coil. So it has to be like checked and tightened. Everything has to be tightened and stuff. So let's see if we can get it up and running. So let's do it. Yep, I will have to get off these plastics, so I'll remove the handlebars and stuff, and then I want to complete the engine first. So this part, so I know it's complete and it runs, check the clearances and stuff, and then I will do just the simple wiring. I also bought a spare wiring harness with all the stuff, but it shouldn't be difficult to wire it up, so maybe I will just try to wire it up again with the easiest, simplest way to see if it runs. And we'll see. So this is what was there. It was not adjustable and not the original part that should be there here. So I bought the original parts. Also see, there could not be adjusted to be in the same position. Probably this is what should be there. Yes, this is a bit bigger. So let's see if I can put both sides there, or it will be a problem. Hopefully that everything will be right. They are there. It's a bit tight fit, but they are there. So what I changed here is I took this cover from the other engine because the black one was not supposed to be there. It was from a different engine and this cover would not fit. So I had a spare engine, so I took just the cover from that engine, and now as you can see, both of these covers are able to fit on there. Also, I found out that I had a wiring problem because it was not giving me spark, and I found out the issue. The issue is that I didn't notice that the signal from the CDI to the ignition coil was the opposite. So signal was going to the ground and ground was going to the coil. So I switched it over and now we have spark. let's help a bit with the start spray. Yeah, so it started for the first time. Whew. What a mess. Okay, so take out this. Something is not right. Okay, so I will try to figure out what's going on with this, because if I turn off the choke, it just kind of puts full throttle or something like that. But why? Because it shouldn't. Yeah, so now everything is mounted except for the smaller battery. So let's test it now. See if it works. Turn on the engine. Choke is on. Works. So now I will take it outside. I will mount the smaller battery so it is more convenient. Put the seat on and we can test ride it. So let's see how it goes.